The things I do for love. Game of Thrones and Leeds have more in common than you'd know. Drama, intrigue, love and loss, a battle for the throne. Fans in the Arctic to the Amazon via Belfast and Buenos Aires, Leeds United coursing through our veins like an all-consuming virus. I grew up in a small town in Denmark. My dad an Arsenal fan. Dad wanted me to be a gooner too, but I had grander plans. Early 90s, come to England, visit Ellen Road, and once I'd heard the Leeds fans sing, a seed of love was sown. Though in 30 years, Leeds have had their ups and many downs. Matteo and Beckford, points deductions, third division grounds. Long and winding list of failure. A swordsmith called the Huck. 21 coaches later, look who just rocked up. There's a new King in the North. You can smell it in the air. The best coach in the world come to save us from despair. And tonight, thoughts of 72 when Leeds last won this cup. Beating Arsenal, Clark 1-0, Billy Bremner lifts it up. Now whisper it quietly, Leeds, but we think Marcelo Bielsa may be the one. The godfather who coached Leeds to play again, just like they did for Don. Come on, Leeds!